Hello, this is Thor with the ATVSuperstore.com. I'm going to show you some key points on installing a Denali plow mount on this 2020 Polaris General XP. The initial installation time is between 30 to 45 minutes depending on skill level and if you need to remove the bumper. On this unit, we need to do so. We found the easiest way to remove the bumper is to remove the two lower bolts first and then the two upper bolts second. To access the two upper bolts, you will have to remove these covers right here to gain access to the 16mm bolt. Remove the grill guard here to access the 18mm on the back. Once you've done so, the bumper will come straight off. You're good to go. Step 2, you must install the actual plow mount itself. To install the plow mount, you have 4 bolts total from Denali. 2 in the back with a plate that sandwiches it together. And then on the side, you're going to have 2 more that you thread from the inside out. There's no nut needed on this since the plow mount itself is threaded from the factory also. Once you've done that, you will reinstall the bumper. By doing this, we found it's easiest to do the top first, line everything up. Bottom second, snug everything tight, and you are good to go. Any questions, you can give us a call at 815-321-3888. Again, Thor at the ATV Superstore. Have a wonderful day.